Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get Peacock on Spectrum. It's very easy and simple guys. First you need to make sure you're actually subscribed to Spectrum TV Select or higher. Okay, because Peacock Premium is actually included at no extra cost for these eligible plans. And first you just go to Peacock app or website, go ahead and sign in, right? And then what you do is you link your Spectrum account to Peacock. So in your Peacock account, you go to account, and then you go to plans and payments, and you just look for the option to link provider or activate through provider, and then just choose Spectrum, and you can go ahead and sign in with your Spectrum credentials. Okay, and then you just open the app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, streaming device, and you can begin watching. Very easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.